You are going to love the 2026 5500. Ram 5500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, speed control, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.